Okay, I'm fixing to mess up my hair for y'all and put this thing on so you can see what it looks like. It's got super wide coverage right there. Hey everybody, I am Steve and this is the Sunday afternoon unisex adventure hat. I go on a lot of ventures and this is my go-to sun hat. The number one selling point for me on this hat, there are several, but the number one is it weighs nothing. I can wear it for hours and it doesn't bother my head. I don't get headaches and I don't get sunburn either. It has a very wide brim on the front, and on the back it's got this great flap that falls down over your neck, protects your neck from sunburn. It's got an adjustable strap right here to tighten it however you like on your head, and up at the top it's got these vents that keep your head nice and cool, and the SPF rating is 50 plus, so there's just everything is good about this sun hat. Okay, I'm fixing to mess up my hair for y'all and put this thing on so you can see what it looks like. It's got super wide coverage right there, and you can see the flap on my neck keeps me from getting sunburned. I can adjust it, make it tighter. I've got my vents right here and I can wear this for literally hours. I kayak a lot, do a lot of kayak fishing, and sometimes if you're wearing a ball cap or something like that, at the end of the day, it's been a little too tight, gives you a headache. Not this one. It weighs nothing and is super comfortable. Also, if you're not wearing it, fold it up. Ain't gonna hurt it. Look at there. You can get it in a backpack, or, you know, you can stick it in your pocket even. I mean, that's another good feature. Also, check this out. They give you a place for your sunglasses. That's some good attention to detail right there. You know, I'm gonna go out on a limb right now and say that you're going to like this sun hat, I promise. All right, if you're looking at it, I hope you found my video helpful.